Hello, it's Alex with Bay Cities Construction. We're here at our newest job. We just started in Los Angeles. We're doing a full house remodel. That's kitchen, 2 bathrooms. We're gutting out the inside. A lot of stuff happening here. As you can see, there's a big old wood pile back here. We've been demoing for a few days, and I want to share with you a little quick walkthrough, tell you what we're doing, tell you what we're going to do, and see what you guys think of our project. Okay, follow me. This is a 3-bedroom house. As you can see, we stripped out all the walls. This used to be a partition wall here that's gonna blow out. That whole wall is gonna blow out. We're gonna take out all the plaster. If you got plaster in your house, you're constantly battling with the cracking everywhere. So in this case, we're gonna remove all of the plaster and insulate the walls. None of these walls were ever insulated. So there's a weird thermal stuff happening here. This is the kitchen, was the kitchen, will be the kitchen again. And we're gonna blow out all this glass block, reframe this wall, get everything looking nice. For those of you that have wood windows, you love your wood windows, but look, your wood windows are leaking and they're causing termite damage. Not terrible though. I thought it would be a lot worse considering what the windows look like. So let's go to one of the bedrooms. So this is going to be the big, amazing master suite. Yes, I'm in the closet, but we're going to knock down this wall and we're going to make this a new bathroom. So we're going to split the existing bathroom in half, absorb the closet space, and it's going to be basically an in-suite bathroom, right? So let's go, let me show you what amazingness looks like in the bathroom. Hey, come over here. Don't panic because it's pink. It's been pink for 30 years, but when we're done with it, it's gonna be not pink. We're gonna actually cut this bathroom in half. Half will be the master bathroom, and the other half will be the bathroom for, second bathroom. This is the old shower. Turn this little tiny shower into a little bit more elbow room in here. So this is actually gonna be part of the master. From this wall over, and the new bathroom the other way. I know you can't picture it yet. You can't see how this is going to happen, but it's going to happen. So this is going to be a full remodel. It's going to be a family house. It's been in the family for a long time. It's going to be inherited by the kids, and it's going to be a total remodel. Obviously, new kitchen, new bathrooms, all new systems, new electrical, new plumbing, new roof. New stucco, new windows, everything is going to get done on this place. So we're really excited to show you the progress as we move along in the job. And if you have any comments or any questions about this project, please go ahead and comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And remember, go to baycitiesconstruction.com if you want to learn more about residential construction. We have a blog page there with 370 plus articles on home remodeling. My name is Alex with Bay Cities Construction, reminding you don't need a contractor. You need a team of pros. See ya.